Good.
Chocolate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cruz. Happy birthday to you.
Put Maxie eating.
Maxie, get it.
Get your cupcake.
Somebody else will. Why don't you go show it to him? His Scarlett's is gone. Not in front of my camera. I'm getting a nice picture of your butt. Uh-oh. Go help Max from behind.
Oh my God.
It might be too late. Give Max some frosting. Split it with him.
Here, Max. Hey, Max. You want yours? Oh, Max wants to run with it.
Stay cruising.
You're excused, Max.
Okay, give him his present.
Max is out of here.
Want some presents?
Where did you put his present? No.
Look. This is all I get, a lousy toy and a collar?
Did you get fatter since you first bought it?
Yum. Yay, Cruz!